Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. So the Synthelix Airdrop is live, and it's an AI DEPIN project designed to deliver decentralized infrastructure solutions for the physical world. And over here is their X account, guys. You can just come up here and check out the details about the airdrop campaign. And in today's video, guys, we'll be looking at how to get started with their airdrop. All right, like I said, guys, their airdrop is live, and we are just interested in the different ways we can earn their points and participate in their airdrop rewards. All right, all you have to do, guys, is just to make sure you watch this video till the end and do not skip any part of this video. And in case you're joining us for the first time or you're not yet subscribed, kindly give this video a thumbs up. Then you go ahead and smash the subscribe button down below. Turn on your notification bell to also always get notifications of important videos that will help you earn money in the crypto space. All right, now if you check out the details of this particular airdrop, you discover that there is no data to track concerning this particular Synthelix airdrop, but all we know, guys, is that their airdrop campaign is ongoing. All right, and over here is the X account. Like I already said, very soon the details will be up for tracking. All right, and they will be able to provide every single detail you need to know concerning this Synthelix airdrop. But for now, guys, I'll be leaving the link for you guys in the description of this video to get started. All you have to do, guys, is just to go ahead and click on it. It's going to lead you straight to this particular site. All right, and once you get over to this particular site, the first thing you have to do is just to go ahead and connect your wallet. All right, my wallet is connected, so let me just disconnect right now and show you how you can successfully connect your wallet. Once you get to this particular page, the first thing you have to do, guys, is to come up here and click on this one that says connect wallet. Once you click on connect wallet, every single wallet you have is basically available for this. All right, this has a wide variety of wallet extensions you can use to claim points. You can choose to make use of either your MetaMask, your OKX wallet, then every single wallet you choose to make use of. But for me, I'm going to make use of my OKX Web3 wallet. All right, so once I select my OKX Web3 wallet, all I have to do, guys, is just to go ahead and approve this in my wallet. Now, once your wallet comes up, all you have to do, guys, is just to go ahead and click on this one that says connect. So once your account is connected, this is exactly how it's going to look like. And as you can see, guys, I have over 20 points already. So every single day, guys, you log into this page, all you have to do is just to come up here and claim about 1,000 points. So once you come up here and activate this node, you stand a chance of earning 1,000 points. So come up here, click on this one that says start node, and then I'll just have to sign this transaction in my wallet. All right, you can see my node is active right now, and after 24 hours, you can see the time right here. After 24 hours, I'll be able to claim from these 1,000 points, and that's how simple it is. Every single 24 hours, come up here and start up a new node, then you'll be able to claim extra 1,000 points. That's how simple it is to earn free points from this particular Synthelix airdrop. All right, if you continuously scroll down, guys, you're going to see the wallets with the highest amount of points in this particular airdrop. You can see the list all listed down here. So all you have to do, guys, is just to use these simple options I'm about to show you right now and earn your tokens. All right, now if you continuously scroll down, let me just scroll down once again, you're going to see this one that says earn more points by completing new tasks regularly to unlock extra points. So all you have to do, guys, is just to come up here and click on this one that says click to start. It's going to load up a bit, and over here on this page, guys, you have different tasks you can complete to boost up your earnings. All right, my account status is currently on the iron session. We have different sessions. We have iron, we have bronze, we have silver, gold, platinum, and diamond. These are more like levels in this particular airdrop. All right, so if you scroll down a bit, you discover that following these people on X will earn you about 5,000 points each. All right, so let's just try this. Following this account, follow, let me just click on it. So all I have to do, guys, is just to come up here and click on this one that says follow, then head back to the site. Then you can see that this is completed right now. And once you follow Synthelix, then head back to the site, you discover that I've also completed the second one. Then all you have to do, guys, is just to come up here and complete the third task, then head back to the site. Alright, you can see this is completed as well, and I now have about 15,000 extra points. And let me just head back to my home page and refresh my account a bit. Alright, you can now see that at the moment I have a total of about 15,020 points, and my current earning from my node is about 24. Alright, this will be added to my total points after I've stopped and claimed this particular node. And that's how simple it is to earn free points on this Synthelix airdrop. Like I already told you guys, the details are not up for tracking yet, so you can't really determine when this is going to list, and you can also determine how much they've raised for this particular airdrop. All you have to do, guys, is just to stay close, as I'll be bringing you every single detail you need to know concerning this particular Synthelix airdrop. Alright, I'll be bringing you details of similar airdrops that will earn you hundreds to thousands of dollars. So just stay close, and in case I'm not yet part of our Telegram community yet, do well to join us on Telegram so you don't miss out on the updates we share on our Telegram channel. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye for now.